Hey, I'm Jenna Fisher, and I am in the Transport program with Dr. Maggie Yu. For years, I've struggled with adrenal fatigue, asthma, arthritis, and hip pain, and really heavy periods. I'm in the Transform program so that I can be more active, have more energy. I can balance my hormones and inflammation. I'm vlogging my journey so that you can share this experience with me.
My name's Jenna Fisher. I'm early in the program and I've been eagerly awaiting this package to get my blood testing kits just testing kits. I got these two kits that I'm really excited about. So I'm going to open them for the first time and let you know. First of all, I know this one is for testing for food sensitivities, and you have to prick your finger and then fully saturate these dots. I think I have to do 7 of them. Yeah, I'm not really great with blood, but I can do it. I know I can do it. So I get to fill those out or bloody those up and send them off. And then I'll get my food sensitivities notified to me and Miss Maggie, and we can go over them. So I know that I'm eating the right foods and then removing what doesn't really agree with my body. So I'm really excited for that. I've never done it, so I can't wait. The other one is a saliva test. And this one, I'm also eagerly awaiting. I have done this before because I was diagnosed with adrenal fatigue, but this one is testing my hormones, which, I'm perimenopausal, so can't wait to see what's going on with that. I know it's not good. And also it tests your cortisol. So I'll be able to follow up on that adrenal fatigue diagnosis that I had a year ago. So I'm wondering if it's better. Has it changed at all? You have to put saliva in these vials at different times of the day so that you can get a reading on where your levels are throughout the day. That gives you a better reading than any blood test where that's just a single moment in time. That doesn't really tell you much. So I'm really looking forward to getting those back as well. And I know this has to be done at a specific time during the month since it does do your hormones. So since I'm menstruating, I have to wait and count it out and see it. I think it's between day 17 and 21. So this one I'm going to have to wait a little bit on, but I have it. It's here. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with pricking my finger now and getting this sent off. I was able to get my panels ordered from the labs. So I will also keep you posted on that. I'm really excited to get the results to all of these back so that I can submit them to Maggie and the Mastermind calls and learn how to interpret the labs and to see how I can move forward in the program and continue to heal. So stay tuned.